items to my right, you're looking at one of our Undercounter freezers. Okay, this is going to be a 72-inch Undercounter freezer, all stainless steel unit, very good quality. Brand on the unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements for this unit, starting with exterior. We'll also measure the inside for you. Starting with the length, as we mentioned here, you're looking at a total of 72 inches. 72. Front to back, total of 31.5 inches. Overall height, 38 inches. Okay, so that's measurements, exterior measurements for this freezer. Now, let's go ahead and show you the front. On the front, you will be able to locate your controller, temperature controller. Okay, so this is where temperature will be displayed once the unit is on and running. Also, you can set your temperature on this same controller if you want to change temp for the unit. Okay, it is a 3-door unit. Handles are over here at the top. We're going to go ahead and open up these doors, show you the inside, and you will be able to see that there is shelving for this unit. Okay, so you have a total of 3 shelves provided with the unit. So you have 1 shelf per each section per door. Also, you will be provided with a manual. So if you have any questions or don't know how to use this unit, all the information, all the instructions are in there, located on that booklet. Okay. Also, we have a sticker on the very inside here that will show you the certifications for this unit, as well as all the specs for this freezer. Okay, inside measurements now. Front to back, we're looking at 17.5 inches. Okay, left to right, we're looking at a total of 67 inches. And the overall height will be 25.5 inches. Okay, so that's going to be inside measurements for this Undercounter freezer, and this will be a little demonstration for the front of this unit. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and show you the back of this Undercounter freezer, and on the back, we'll be able to locate our plug. Okay, it is a standard US plug for this unit. Compressor is also located on the back. Okay, so that's going to be the back for this unit, and that's going to be all the demonstrations. So if you're interested in one of these items, you can simply go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information regarding this freezer on the website, including the price for this exact size. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thanks for watching.